Rolls-Royce has just introduced a jaw-dropping roadster that's redefining luxury on a miniature scale. The new Rolls-Royce Cameo is a roadster like no other, combining exceptional craftsmanship with an accessible price tag of $5,500, cheaper than a Miata. This miniature model offers a rare chance to own a piece of Rolls-Royce heritage without the astronomical price. Crafted from premium materials like oak wood and polished aluminum, the Cameo is a true work of art. Designed for collectors and enthusiasts, the Cameo is a DIY project that allows owners to assemble their own luxurious roadster. The detailed interior, including leather upholstery and 3D printed features, mirrors Rolls-Royce's commitment to quality. While compact, this model perfectly captures the essence of the brand's luxury cars, featuring an authentic chassis, smooth rolling wheels, and even a miniature driver figure crafted from aluminum and leather. It's a beautifully functional collectible. At a fraction of the cost of traditional Rolls-Royce cars, the Cameo offers a fun, creative way to engage with the brand. Perfect for automotive lovers who appreciate intricate design and exclusive memorabilia, it's the ideal gift for anyone looking to add a rare, elegant item to their collection. The Cameo blends modern innovation with classic Rolls-Royce luxury in a way that's bound to capture the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide.